If you grab your service manual, then turn to the page for 90,000 kilometre service. There's a list of items that get replaced or checked at this odometer reading. Under the bonnet where the X is, that's the location of the air filter. To the right of the housing units, there's two metal clips, one at the bottom there and one at the top. Undo both of them. And there it is, the old dirty filter that needs replaced. Just lift it up and pull it out. And here we are, we've got the new and the old right next to each other. You can see how much dirt's accumulated over the last 90,000 kilometres. Now, as you can see in the previous two photos, there's the old, there's the new. This has got a square thing, the others are all round. There's a square, round. So it's just a case of putting them in the same way you got it out. Underneath, so you know when you've got this lip section, so you know which way it should be going, up or down. Now underneath the air filter, as you can see, the corners round, 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 and then on the far side over there, it's square. So it's just a case of slotting it in like that, and then locking it in place. And there it is, in place. As you can see, all the rounds fitted in place and the square in the back corner there. And there it is, guys, job done. Metal clips back in place. So over the next few weeks I'm going to go through the 90,000k checklist and put up some more videos. Alrighty, cheers guys.